Welcome to the first international grand finale of the Verallia Design Awards. We're extremely happy to have you all here tonight. First, I will start with a few thanks. First, thanks to the hundreds of students who in 7 countries have participated to our Design Awards. Thanks to our customers that are here and that have been the juries, the sponsors of all these Design Awards. And thanks to the designer and media communities, also quite represented here, that have supported this project all along. But we are here to have fun, to celebrate, and also to be creative.
I joined Verallia only 3 months ago, and I'm very delighted to be here tonight for this ceremony. I think it's a great initiative that started now 8 years ago. It is a remarkable success, given the fact that more than 1,000 students this year participated to the contest. And that's a real example of what today co-creation means, which is creation between company, students, external out to the company, and customers. I really enjoy it. And I would like to, of course, announce now who's the winner. So the winner is the Fiasco. Congratulations. You probably all know that some of the awards in the past have led to great commercial successes. It's a good testimony of what the teams, with sometimes the help of outsiders, students, can achieve in delivering attractive packaging, innovative packaging that helps personalize our customers' products.
But also I would like to celebrate the creativity of all the students, because you are very young, you are very creative, and think because you are connected with the world and with the needs of the consumer. And we will be there to try to launch some new project with you. And with Verallia, we are very proud to have developed this partnership.
Et nous avons vu ce soir qu'aux 4 coins du monde, de très beaux projets peuvent voir le jour. Et longue vie au Verallia Design Awards.